Hi everybody, well I'll be here again with our last match of the second tier for the Masters of the Universe tournament on SmackDown. Here Comes the Pain. We got Man-At-Arms at 76 points for superstar rating against Jitsu with 71. Man-At-Arms so far, I guess he's been fighting human opponents. He beat Ninja last match that he had. I guess going up against guys with martial arts prowess, because of Jitsu as well. Jitsu defeated Catcher earlier. Now these two classic foes, action figures from the original Masters of the Universe toy line are going to meet up and fight. Both of these guys also have enlarged arms or hands on one side here in this game. Man-At-Arms, as you can see, with his left arm definitely a lot bigger than the right. And now here comes Jitsu, definitely with one of the coolest wrestling entrances, I think, working for him with Goldberg. And certainly fits what I think Mattel set out to originally do with him. Alright, well, we're going to see what happens next. Ooh, that was a low blow. And another one. Right in front of the ref. Don't matter. Jitsu's evil. Man-At-Arms using some submission moves, but aren't going to do him any good if he's got him in the ropes. And a big kick from Jitsu. And a big chop as well. Man-At-Arms fighting back though. Headbutt there while Jitsu's down. Using that helmet of his that I pretty much made out of an afro. And submission move, but does no good with a rope break. Man-At-Arms getting his way out of that one. Another arm drag too from Man-At-Arms. And a suplex. Jitsu missing that chop, but Man-At-Arms, he's coming around back, takes him down. Jitsu with a knee to the face, and Man-At-Arms follows up with an elbow right back at Jitsu. Man-At-Arms just slamming his back into Jitsu in that corner. What a big DDT there from Man-At-Arms. But not enough to get Jitsu down, it looks like. Jitsu swinging him back for a shoulder back toss. These two are just trading punches, essentially, just countering one another. Man-At-Arms looking like he's getting a bit of an advantage. Oh, and another low blow from Jitsu, who follows up with a power bomb. Real nice there, but Man-At-Arms kicking him off. Just can't get those submission moves to stick, though. And another submission in the corner, but Jitsu gets out with a rope break. Man-At-Arms punching back. Jitsu tries to fight back, but just can't catch a break, it looks like. Is it going to be a choke slam? Yes, it is. But what did it take out of Jitsu to perform that? And a kick from the top rope, knocking out the ref. Is he going to go for a weapon? Another kick from the top rope on Man-At-Arms. Wow. This is shaping up to be quite a fight between these two guys. There's a hammer, and Jitsu's gonna, what's he gonna do? Throws the hammer at Man-At-Arms and follows up with a kick. Just grinding that golden gauntlet into Man-At-Arms' face. This is quite an interesting match here. These two take it outside. Jitsu with a choke slam. But his stomach's hurt enough, his midsection's hurt badly enough to where it's not helping him to do these big moves. Ref counts to 5 and they're back in. Jitsu, another choke slam. You'd think that Man-At-Arms would just be broken apart by now, but he's not. Fighting back, Jitsu's got a finisher. Is it going to work for him? Chops to the throat and to the chest. But not enough to take down Man-At-Arms. These two have just been back and forth with each other, doing significant damage. And Man-At-Arms counters that throat thrust with more punches. And here we go again, another DDT from Man-At-Arms. Is it enough to take Jitsu down, though? And we've got a victory for the defenders of Castle Grayskull. Man-At-Arms pulls out the win. And he will be facing Leech. So, like Jitsu, we've got another card back fight. On Leech's card back from the original Masters of the Universe toy line. He's actually got Man-At-Arms hoisted up. With the sucker that's on his mouth, he's got Man-At-Arms right in the middle of his back. So here we go, our third tier going to be She-Ra versus He-Man, followed by Zodak versus Faker, then Hordak against Tongue Lasher, and Leech against Man-At-Arms. Definitely stay tuned to see what happens in our quarterfinal bracket. Thanks for watching.